How to fix Nintendo login error step by step. To fix your Nintendo's login error, first things first, you have to simply check the Nintendo network status. So go ahead and open any web browser of your choice, then type Nintendo network status. Once you find the official cloud server, go ahead and tap on this, and you should be able to find all the info regarding the Nintendo network. And then, if there is any scheduled maintenance, you should be able to know it from here. Once you make sure all of this, you simply have to now proceed to clear the Nintendo Switch browser cache. Click the setting gear icon on the bottom dock from your Switch's home screen, and then proceed to scroll down to the left sidebar menu to the very bottom and select the system. Then go to the formatting options and proceed to clear the cache at the top of the menu. This should also solve your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.